Hello guys, welcome back again. It's the boy adamslinkmedia. The story is getting more interesting, guys, about Hushpuppi, and now his lawyer will be coming out making all sorts of statements. Now his lawyer just said Hushpuppi was kidnapped. In fact, he's accusing the FBI of kidnapping Hushpuppi in Dubai. He said that no proper documents were filed to get Hushpuppi extradited from Dubai to USA, and that Hushpuppi is not a citizen of USA and they doesn't know what Hushpuppi is doing on US soil. In fact, he said that it's a gross misconduct for FBI to have extradited Hushpuppi from Dubai to USA. Don't forget, this man came out and stated clearly that Hushpuppi is not guilty, that all those crimes that the FBI leveled against him are false, that Hushpuppi is a confirmed, legitimate businessman, entrepreneur, and social media influencer. According to him, Mr. Glay said that. Mr. Glay is a very reputable lawyer in the United States. He has a law firm in Chicago, so it's well known. So I really think that he's working well for his money over time, safe. Like every lawyer out there has that right to defend his client no matter what. Just find a loophole in the law so that you can be able to just through that loophole free your client or get your client the best deal possible or lighten the sentence as low as possible. So the man is seriously working seriously hard, like now coming out accused the FBI of kidnapping Hushpuppi in Dubai. Well, let me just read according to how it was stated in some social media outlet out there. It said FBI kidnapped my client from Dubai. That is what Hushpuppi lawyer said. He said it in a chat with BBC. The lawyer said United Arab Emirates has no extradition treaty with the United States. According to him, Hushpuppi, who posted on Instagram about his extravagant lifestyle, was not a criminal and he made his money legitimately. Like I've said before, he's a social media influencer with millions of followers, with millions of people that respect and love him, and he loved them, and that's what he did in the society. That is a business, he said, the lawyer. He also said, in my opinion, the FBI and the government had acted illegally when they kidnapped him from Dubai without any legal process to do so. There was no extradition, there was no legal steps taken, there were no document field. It was a simple call to the FBI. He is not a citizen of the United States. The US has absolutely no authority to take him. If Dubai wanted to expel, they should have expelled him back to Nigeria. I have never heard of anything like that. This is a real story. This is the real story here. Well, I can't really see what he's trying to say. He's not a citizen of the USA, and it's not a citizen of Dubai as well. So, well, I'm not a lawyer, so for those of you who are really learned when it comes to law, please try to teach us. And meanwhile, guys, according to experts, they said according to experts and what they said, Hushpuppi extradition may have been possible through a formal application by the FBI, as the United States of America, USA, does not have any extradition treaty with the UAE. It is true, the United States of America does not have any extradition treaty with the UAE. But according to the UAE extradition law, a formal request must be sent by a requesting country to request a country via diplomatic channel for the letter to surrender an accused or a convicted person to the authority of the requested country. So for you to extradite somebody from the UAE, you have to submit a request. A country have to submit a request to UAE, then they will approve that request. And then don't forget, the FBI has already issued a letter thanking the Dubai police for their assistance and also assisted them to extradite Hushpuppi and Woodberry to USA. So that is already done. So I think that what the FBI did was the reason why Dubai police allowed them to take Hushpuppi and Woodberry. And also, guys, like I've said before, I'm not a lawyer, but looking at it in a playground as a layman, honestly, with all those charges leveled against Hushpuppi and Woodberry, I don't think it's gonna go freely. So what I think his lawyer gonna do is try as much as possible to lessen the sentence, like I've said, and try to find a loophole in the law so that he can free his client, or even trying to find law so that they can even take Hushpuppi back to Nigeria so that I can face justice there. So I don't know how he's gonna do it, but I think he's gonna find something out. Something must come out for Hushpuppi, but I don't think freedom is one of it, honestly. But if freedom comes, don't be surprised. If Hushpuppi regain his freedom, honestly, that guy will be the Escobar of fraudsters. Seriously, that just it. It will be the dawn, the overall dawn, because it's impossible for the FBI don't just come for you. It takes years. They do their study overnight. They even set trap for you. They set traps, so they don't just go and just make any arrest at all. Guys, you know I always like people contributing and also talking, so let's hear from my guy Kenny, who also has a YouTube channel. So let's see what he has to say about this particular issue.
Adams, thank you for getting my opinion on this. Hey guys, my name is Mazi Kene. You can check out my YouTube page on Mazi Kene TV on YouTube. Just search for it. Not to waste too much of your time, Pissetzky, Hushpuppi's lawyer, a very popular lawyer in Chicago, United States, have come out to say that Hushpuppi is not just a legitimate businessman, but also that the United States kidnapped him from Dubai. Why? Because they don't have extradition treaty with Dubai. That was a very smart move, but hey, it's not going to hold water. Sorry to bust your bubble. That guy, that real criminal, he's trying to get you. I like to talk with facts, and before I do that, I'll just give you a very brief history so you understand the relationship between the United States and Dubai. UAE got its independence from the United Kingdom. I know most of you don't know that, in 1971, and since 1971 till now, they have developed a very good diplomatic relations with the United States. For over 49 years, these people have been very good friends on all fronts of government, from commerce to defense. And to show you more about this relationship, the United States have over 5,000 troops in the Dubai territory. And not just that, the Dubai's Jebel Ali port is the highest port of call for United States Navy outside of the United States. The bond is very tight, regardless that they don't have extradition treaty because of difference in laws and judgments in both countries. So, but the US doesn't have the extradition treaty to just take this guy out of Dubai immediately. But what did they do? They asked the Dubai police to investigate and arrest this guy. If you remember, they took 4 months to investigate him, get facts, arrest him. Now they requested for him in the United States. Dubai had that sole right to say, no, we won't give you these guys. But because of their friendship, they gave him out. You see what's going on. Now, the only other people, or the only way Hushpuppi could afford this, is if he was still in Dubai. Now, if he was still in Dubai, he has the right to say that, hey, you guys don't have extradition treaty with the United States, and I don't want to go there. So the only place they will push him to is Nigeria. He's a citizen of Nigeria. Now, if he comes to Nigeria, Nigeria has extradition treaty with United States. So what will happen? He will end up in the United States. And Nigeria doesn't even have that time. They're out there begging and asking for funds and aids, begging for money to come and stick out their neck, ruin their relationship with the United States to come and save you. No, they won't do that. Now, the Dubai also is saying that they don't want you. They want you to go over to the United States to answer for your crime. This guy is wanted in so many countries. So this lawyer just played the very first one. I mean, hey, he has to earn his pay, right? And I'm sure he's charging an arm and a leg. So he has to show a reason why they will have to pay him all this money. He's just trying to get his own cut of the money. Well, I'm sorry, guys, for those thinking, hey, I've been seeing social media comments, go and have money. Good lawyer. He's a very good lawyer. But when it comes to crime in the United States, it takes more than a good lawyer to free the victims. They will find a way. Check people now. Bill Cosby, so many of them. But hey, let me not take much of your time. Hey, check out my YouTube channel, Kidnap TV. I have very interesting content for you over there, packed with information, and also I'll be uploading information every day in real time. Okay, I'll leave you guys with Adams right now. Adams, thank you for getting my opinion on this, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, check my page and subscribe. Bye. Check my page and subscribe. Bye.
Yes, guys, that's my guy Kidnap TV. Try as much as possible to check him out. Honestly, I'm quite impressed with his analysis, and I love what he said about what happened to Kelly, Bill Cosby. You understand? You can hire when you have money. You can hire any lawyer you want, but the fact is that when the FBI come for you, they don't just come. They have been doing their research, they have been doing their investigation, so I don't think it's going to go freely. And of course, like Kidnap said, it was when Hushpuppi was in Dubai that he had every opportunity to fight the USA, because they don't have that extradition treaty with Dubai. But I don't know what happened. They failed. He failed to fight them there. Well, we're still gonna wait and see exactly what happened, how a lawyer manipulate the law or try to manipulate the law. I don't even know how he's gonna win it, honestly, because this is FBI and it's a federal case. It's not a state case, it's a federal case. So I don't know how he's gonna manipulate it, seriously. But any update at all, I will be giving you, updating you. And meanwhile, guys, I still have another update coming very soon about Hushpuppi legally married. Yeah, you guys will be blown off. Honestly, you guys will be blown off with this news. It's legit. It's legit. So watch out for my other video. Have a wonderful day and bye. And thank you. Try as much as possible to like this video, comment, share it on all social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, Adamslink Media. Thank you guys for this coming through. I love you guys. Bye.